All constituencies of our college are represented here at this press conference: faculty, students, staff, professionals, and administration. We issue the following joint statement against the proposed bill C-391. At Dawson College, students and staff have witnessed firsthand the murderous violence that guns cause. We extend our solidarity as well to the families of the victims of the École Polytechnique massacre of 1989, who were direct victims of long gun violence. Together, the licensing of gun owners and the registration of firearms are effective in protecting public safety. Therefore, the Dawson Teachers Union, the Dawson Support Staff Union, the Dawson Students Union, the Association of Dawson Professionals, and the Dawson College Administration jointly call on all Canadians to demand that their MPs vote against Bill C-391, support the Long Gun Registry, and expand efforts to control licensing and register all firearms in this country.
Bill C-391, the cancellation of it, is an extremely regressive move towards gun control and public safety. We think it's very important and it's a very sensitive issue for our students. We have been working in solidarity with the Teachers Union and other counterparts at Dawson, and we have taken the initiative to send a bus the day of the vote on the 22nd, so students who are concerned can show their support on Parliament Hill that day. We're also asking for everyone to grant academic amnesty for the students who want to show their support that day. And yeah, we think it's very important that students show their public support for the gun registry.